What's up, y'all? It is a beautiful morning. I'm Aviana Zurin. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're just coming onto the channel, you're on day 6 of this Bahamas series. We're here in Staniel Cay. We've got the Sea-Doos all ready to go, and we're gonna do some flooring on the Cays down south of Staniel Cay. So our plan for the day is to show you guys and show ourselves for first time this sunken plane that's right around the corner, right around here. We're gonna see what these guys are up to. I'll be right back. All right, so we're off on the water now on the Sea-Doo Fishpro. It's just gonna be us two with another Sea-Doo Fishpro. The other ones are gonna go, 2 of them are gonna go try to catch us some lunch fishing. And then the other one is going to stay home and do laundry. Boo, that's boring. All right, so we're gonna go get some fuel over there. All right, we're all fueled up, and we had to swing by and pick up Charles. We kind of forgot that he wasn't going fishing, so he wanted to come along to go look at the other cays that are south part and explore the islands. We're gonna go right over there to look at the sunken plane. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's high tide right now. Oh, there it is. You see it? Pretty cool, huh? Wow. You got the wing right here. Well, I guess the engine where the propellers would be. And then the little cabin. Look how small it is. I wonder if I can, when I dive it, I can sit in it. I don't know. Cool. All right, time to go. Okay, I'm not gonna go the edge because I'm known to fall over things, but that's only when I have a backpack. So, I mean, I should be able to go over here, right? Oh, look. Beautiful. I'm telling you, there's so many places that you can find that are so beautiful in the Exumas, like island after island. And it's just miles and miles of these beaches. Could you ever get tired of it? I don't know. I don't think so. But you can always find your favorite spot. Let's go check it out. really comfortable. Gosh, I've been missing out the whole time. Look, got a whole backrest over here. Like, man, I need to come and sit in the passenger seat more often. Look, I can put my legs up. You gotta rinse your feet. Where's this? This is a nice spot, huh? All right, guys. So we're past Black Point, past Fowler's. We're the furthest point that we've ever been in the Exumas, and we're at Cays Sunset Bar and Grill. We're gonna see what they got going on over here. If they have food and some drinks for lunch. So Charles, I think I seriously have a problem. You know what my problem is?
What's your problem?
How the heck are we gonna go back to riding in brown water after we've been riding in this for like 10 days? We're gonna be like, oh my gosh, no, forget this. I'm not riding over there no more.